back to the channel. If you're addicted to apples, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. Welcome to another unboxing video. Happens to be this one. Box number. Let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Alright, let's have a look what's in this box. Alright, whole lot of G5 processor panels. Let's give you an idea how many G5s we've pulled apart. These look all familiar, all from a dual processor G5. Let's pull them out and see how many there are. And that's it. That's all the G5s that I've pulled apart, stripped for parts. I know these are from G5 1.8 duals, 2004. We got a lot of them in, so around about 160, I remember, systems with 23-inch displays like this one. And then I think we got another 40, 50 dub ones, maybe 30, can't remember now. But this is how many we had to strip that were faulty, or we had to strip them for parts. Alright, let's have a quick count. That's 24. That's 26. So 24 and 26 makes 50. Now these are slightly different. Okay, so these G5s would be, that's definitely from the last model, the late 2005 models. Not too sure why there's a difference between the two. I have to try and work out which one's which. But I do remember this the last G5 quad-core processors had this one large thing with a large G5 on it. I'm not too sure what that one's from. Could be from the early 2005. Six of those, two of those. That's from an iMac G5. And there's 13 of those. So they were generally from the single core processor. I've got here 1.6 gigahertz. That's just the number it came from. So that's a single processor G5. And some of the early dual processor G5s, I think it was a 2003 model, actually had two of these like these. So there was two, literally two processors in the slot. maybe June 2004. In the late 2004 with those ones. Alright, so what am I going to do with them? I was going to make clocks out of them, which I still may do, but I might give them out as a Patreon club member. First, I've got to have a Patreon account, which I don't have at the moment, but I might have by the time you watch this, and I might give a plate out. So this might, just thought of this right now. So, clock, or give one out as a Patreon. Or if you have one for a G5 that's missing one, they might be a little bit scratched or dent. This was the pain in the butt to try and get out. There was a little plastic tab like that, and you had to remove that center bit to move that out so you can slide it out. Slide it out this way, can't remember exactly how, to get that plate off, and some were more of a pain than others. So this is what it was like to have that tab. So this one's still remaining in there, and as you can see we had a hard time trying to get this one out because of all the scratches. And that's how it is on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the tab, and it's still remaining in the machine. And sometimes we have to mangle this just to get this off, unfortunately. Some were easy to take out once you knew how, but that's generally what. That's how we got those plates off. Anyway, I hope you liked that video. If you want to see some more repurposing for this particular one, we might make clocks out of it or make some other artwork. We haven't decided yet. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching. Okay, so that was a little bit exciting, maybe. If you have a PowerMac G5, maybe. This is what I had on the side of the box, G5 plates. So that's what was in there. Anyway, till next time. Bye.